Hi. Before we get started with our advanced series, let us quickly see what we had learned in the previous session. We had created a document in which we had written an essay about technology. We had seen many options from the Home tab like cut, copy, paste, different formatting option, different alignment and listing options, formatting the document with provided styles, inserting images and shapes, inserting text options, designing your document by coloring it, giving it borders, changing the orientation of the page, changing the margin of the page, viewing your document with different views and zooming option, and so on. Now what we are going to see is little advanced than what we have seen before. So let us get started. The very first thing that we are going to see is related to Quick Access Toolbar. Now you remember that Quick Access Toolbar has these default options: save, undo and redo. Now what if I do not want undo and redo but some other option? So if you want any other option and not the default options that are appearing, you will click on this arrow. This drop down button has list of commands like new, open, save, email, quick print, print preview and print, spelling and grammar, undo, redo, draw a table, touch mode, etc. from which you can add to your Quick Access toolbar. Let us say I add new. So a new icon will be added. If I click on spelling and grammar, that will be added. So you can add as many commands as you want on your Quick Access toolbar. And if you want a command which is not appearing on this list, you can go to the more commands and add whatever you want from this list to here. You can also decide where you want the Quick Access toolbar to appear. Right now it is on the top left corner. You can place it below the ribbon as well. Go to the drop down and click on Show Below the Ribbon. It would place your Quick Access toolbar below the ribbon. If you want it on top, you can click on drop down again and click on Show Above the Ribbon.